Hello everyone, my name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, I've Got Something to Say, a life and lifestyle channel filled with content that will edify, educate, enhance, enlighten, encourage, and enrich. I'm so glad that you're able to join me today, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would press that subscribe button below, and while you're at it, go ahead and press that notification button so that way you will always be informed of when I upload new videos. Now let's get right into today's topic on I've Got Something to Say coming up next. Hello again, my name is Deborah, and today I've got something to say about starting a new YouTube channel. Today is a very special day for me because I will be launching my YouTube channel and uploading my very first video today. And I am so very excited about it because I got the idea about 2 years ago to start my own YouTube channel. And this, of course, was after being a YouTube viewer for several years. And as a matter of fact, I have become passionate about starting a channel to the point where I started writing down plans, more so about the content than anything else. So what ended up happening is life got hectic, life got busy, other things took priority, and I set those plans aside. Well, about 4 months ago or so, I became passionate about starting my channel again. So I picked those plans back up and I started watching YouTube videos again to get some ideas as far as cameras and editing software and music and tips on how to make a good YouTube video and lighting and staging and on and on and on, to the point where it did become somewhat overwhelming. Those of you that are watching this video that are also thinking about starting your own channel probably have had very similar experiences. And those of you that have already launched probably have done the same thing and know exactly what I'm talking about. But having said all of this, I did make a decision as far as the camera is concerned, but I'm not using it today. And that is because I don't feel confident as far as using a camera to record my video. So today, I'm actually recording using my cell phone. I also found a spot in the home that I feel would be suitable for video, lighting, etc., but it's not yet ready. So I found the alternate spot, and here we are. And I say all of this to all of you watching just to say to you, start where you are. Who says that everything has got to be in place or everything has got to be perfect, whatever that definition of perfect is, before you can move ahead and start your own YouTube channel? It's okay to put out content that is less than perfect, whatever that definition of perfect is. And also, you don't need to have everything that somebody feels that you need in order to be good or viable. You need to, once again, just start right where you are. Start small. As a matter of fact, I came across this quote by Van Gogh that goes something like this. Great things are done by a series of small things that are brought together. So start small. Do you, and it will be absolutely fine. If you wait for all these things to line up or for that perfect to come, whatever that perfect is, then before you know it, you're going to end up giving yourself a whole bunch of more reasons not to move forward with what you say you're passionate about. I read someplace that a reason is nothing more than an excuse all prettied up. And in life, a lot of times we give ourselves reasons, but at the end of the day, it's nothing more than excuses. So dig in and move forward, just as I did. I got serious about it. I stopped giving myself excuses. I did my research. I found out that everything is not perfect right now, but I've got enough. And here we are today, and I am launching my channel. And y'all, I am so excited about it. Right now, I'm feeling so accomplished. And the reason being is because now that my channel has launched and my video is out there, and now has something against which to gauge my progress, against which to make things better. And that is perfect for me. And there you have it. Some of my experiences, at least, with launching my own YouTube channel. I would love it if you would leave your comments below. As far as your experiences with launching a new channel. For those of you that are thinking about launching a channel, but you've not yet taken that plunge, what are your fears and your challenges? What you need to do is define what those are. And once you do, you need to take away its power. I know my challenges were time. My challenges were the technologies as far as camera and editing software and things such as that. I had to take away its power so that I could move forward. And here we are. And those of you that have already launched your channels, please do share your experiences as far as what your challenges were and what you did to conquer them. Y'all, it is a new year, a new decade, a time for new opportunities, a time to grow, expand, and excel, thrive. And I am so very excited about it. I'm excited that you were able to join me here today. I'm excited that you will hopefully join me on this journey. And I look forward to posting more videos, and I hope to see all of you very soon. Love you all.